Hi students, welcome back to online class. Yes, the last class we had discussed about what attractive property of magnet, and today we are going to discussing the second property of magnet, that is poles of a magnet. What poles of a magnet? You know that in one magnet having two poles. What are the poles? North and south pole. Now I will show you the one magnet. See, this is bar magnet. Okay, this white color showing that is what it's mentioned, south pole. Okay, this is south pole and this is north pole. Okay, clear? So one magnet having two poles. Clear? Yes. Magnetic poles, a region at each ends of a magnet where the external magnetic field is strongest. A bar magnet suspended in Earth's magnetic field orients itself in a north-south direction. The north-seeking pole of such a magnet or any similar poles is called a north magnetic pole. Okay, otherwise north pole of a magnet. And next is the south-seeking pole or any pole similar to it is called what, south magnetic pole or south pole. Okay, so unlike poles of different magnets attract each other, which means the north pole attract each other, no, it is repel each other. So next class, that means the coming days we are discussing about that also. Okay, and the like poles are repel each other and the unlike poles are attract each other. Is it clear? So now we are going to one activity of the poles of a magnet. Okay, the poles of magnet having strongest attractive force. Otherwise, the center of the magnet having strongest attractive force. Now I have the one bar magnet and what some pins also. Okay, some pins. Clear? So now I just give this bar magnet to the pins. What happened here? We will just observe. See the two poles, or is the two ends of the magnet that attract more pins. So two ends of the magnet that attract the more pins, and the center having this not much pins. Okay. So what this showing? Otherwise, what is your observations? Hmm? Yes, the ends of the magnet. Otherwise, the poles of two poles of the magnet having more attractive than the center of the magnet. Okay, clear? So we can able to conclude that what? The iron pins clings mostly onto the ends of the magnet. This shows that in a magnet, the regions of strongest magnetism near its ends. Okay. So this is our conclusion about this investigation. Okay. So the ends of a magnet that attract most of the iron fillings are called its poles. Okay, each magnet has two poles, hmm, namely the north pole and what, south pole. Yes, we already discussed that. Okay, so the attractive property of bar magnet gradually reduces as we move from the ends towards the center of the magnet. Okay, so it is practically zero in center. Is it clear? Yes. I hope all of you understood this topic. Okay, thank you.